Welcome back everyone. Today's recipe is a really nice simple dessert showcasing some homemade dripped yogurt. Now I'm not going to show you how to do the dripped yogurt recipe on this video today, but you can check out the video that we already have for that, and there's heaps of information on the blog as well. For today though, I'm going to be making some spiced poached pears served with a reduced red wine syrup on top of some cinnamon yogurt. This is a really nice simple dessert for entertaining and perfect for the festive season coming up. The first thing I'm going to do is get the poaching liquid going, and I'm going to start with 750 mils of red wine. Now the best red wine to use is probably a medium dry red wine like a Merlot or a Cab Sav. Add the wine to the pot along with the peel and juice of an orange, the peel and juice of a lemon, 3/4 cup of brown sugar or honey, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 whole star anise, 1 whole vanilla pod, and 6 whole cloves. Finally, add 2 cups of water. Peel 6 pears and place them upright into the liquid. To make sure they're fully submerged, you might want to add a little more water. Bring the pears to a gentle boil and then reduce the heat and simmer gently for 1 to 1.5 hours or until the pears are tender. You can place the lid of the pot upside down over the pears to keep them submerged. Carefully remove the pears with a slotted spoon and set them aside on a plate. Strain the poaching liquid and then return the liquid to the pot. Bring the liquid back to a boil and reduce until thick and syrupy. To make the cinnamon yogurt, add 1 cup of the dripped yogurt to a bowl and mix through 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar or honey, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of vanilla paste. This dessert is best served chilled, and to plate up, add some of the cinnamon yogurt to a plate and place 1 whole pear on or beside the yogurt, then drizzle with the red wine reduction. So there you have it, a great little quick dessert for next time you're entertaining guests. Make it in advance, have a go at making this homemade dripped yogurt for yourself, and check out the blog for more of our tips and tricks on homemade yogurt. Hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes, and if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like, and we'll be back really soon with another Luvele Life recipe.